In this video, I'll show you how to remove an account from Microsoft Teams. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. In Microsoft Teams, remove an account can mean a few different things. Sometimes it just means signing out of the Teams app on that device. Other times it means removing a work or school account from your computer, leaving an organization, or fully closing the Microsoft account linked to Teams free. Microsoft's support pages separate these options, so it's helpful to choose the right one for your situation. First, let's look at the most common option, which is signing out of Teams on desktop or the web. Open Microsoft Teams, click your profile picture at the top of the app, and then choose Sign Out. Microsoft says this removes the account information from the Teams app on that device until you sign in again, but it does not remove the account from other Microsoft apps you use. If you're using Teams on mobile, the steps are a little different. Open the Teams app, tap your profile picture or the More button, go to Accounts and Orgs, choose the account you want to remove, open Settings, and then tap Sign Out. Microsoft notes that if you have both a personal account and a work or school account, signing out of one does not automatically sign you out of the other. Now, if you want to remove a work or school organization from Teams Free, Microsoft says you can go to Settings, Open Accounts and Orgs, find the organization, and choose Leave. That removes your access to that organization in Teams Free rather than just signing you out temporarily. If your goal is to completely remove a work or school account from your Windows device, you may also need to do it in Windows settings. Microsoft's Windows guidance says you can go to Settings, then Accounts, and remove or disconnect the account from the device there. This is more than just signing out of Teams, because it affects how the account is used across Windows apps and services. And if you use Microsoft Teams Free and want to fully delete that account, Microsoft says that means closing the Microsoft account tied to Teams. On mobile, you can start that process from Settings and then Delete Account, or use Microsoft's account closure page. So the basic idea is simple. Sign out if you just want to remove the account from the Teams app, leave the organization if you want to disconnect from a Teams-free org, remove the account from Windows settings for a deeper device-level removal, or close the Microsoft account if you want to fully delete it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.